This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is Richard Levine. And this here is Rachel Levine. Richard Levine is a gay, feminine man who is now a transgender woman who goes by the name of Rachel. And as I pointed out here on Twitter, on the very first day of Joe Biden's presidency, I said here, welcome to the insanity that is 2021 under Joe Biden. Biden has appointed a transgender woman, or in other words, a delusional man. And I don't say that to be mean, it's just the truth, and the truth is important. To be the assistant health minister, strange and scary times, and indeed it is. So today we're going to take a look at this, just how scary this is getting. Rand Paul has just confronted Biden's transgender nominee for assistant HHS secretary over genital mutilation, and you won't believe how this conversation goes, guys. We're going to play this in full for you today. We're going to cover all of this and much more, guys. But before we do, I'd ask that you check us out here at pressfortruth.ca/donate. If you appreciate the work I'm doing, producing content like this, PFT exclusive, man and assaulted and arrested by Canadian Tire employees, or this one, the nurse whistleblowers who have destroyed the COVID-19 84 narrative and are sparking a movement that can't be stopped. If you appreciate these types of videos, guys, here you can make a one-time donation with PayPal. You can contribute Bitcoin by clicking on that there. You can become a patron by clicking on that banner. You can contribute other cryptocurrencies by going here. You can contribute a reoccurring monthly amount. It's like a Patreon alternative by clicking there. You can also send an e-transfer to dan@pressfortruth.ca, or if you prefer to keep it old school, you can send cash or checks or equipment or simply just words of encouragement to my P.O. box. A link is located in the description below. All right, guys, so let's jump right into this.